150 billion that today can go straight into these opportunities.
While pension funds have traditionally invested in government securities and listed equities, infrastructure investments remains untapped yet lucrative and impactful opportunity.
Last year, we did amend our investment guidelines to allow schemes to put up to 10% of their assets in infrastructure investments through PPP projects.
The Kenya Pension Fund Investment Consortium (KEFIC) has now identified infrastructure and alternative investments worth approximately 16 billion shillings to venture in this year as the drive for diversification of local pension portfolios and the need for greater private infrastructure funding gains momentum.
We are allowed to invest up to 10% of our assets, and this is the total pension scheme assets, into infrastructure opportunities directly. And in an industry that has 1.4 trillion shillings or 1.5 trillion shillings as of now, that represents a significant sum, 150 billion, that today can go straight into these opportunities.
There is a very compelling argument for pension funds to diversify their investment portfolios, to include things like infrastructure, which can offer good and attractive investment opportunities, but also give a good return to pension fund members and help to build our country.
KEFIC Secretariat Ngatia Kirungie noted that their members are now seeking profitable and diversified investment opportunities for optimal returns for their members and retirees.
So nothing is holding us back from the regulation standpoint, and it is just for us as pension scheme trustees to roll up our sleeves and to look at these opportunities together, and thereafter start deploying our investments.
Historically, during election years, the market value of most traditional investment assets have been negatively affected, with investors adopting a wait-and-see approach.
These infrastructure investments are long-term by their very nature, so they will cross through multiple election cycles. The good thing about them is, number one, they're strategically important to the country.
Of keen interest to the industry will be to assess the performance of schemes that have diversified their portfolios into more politically resilient alternative investments. Kenya's annual infrastructure funding gap currently stands at more than 200 billion shillings, presenting private investors with numerous opportunities in sectors such as power transformation and urban development. Linda Koskei, K24 TV.